Anna Trebunskaya, and I'm excited to be here with LunaSol. As an 11-time professional dancer from Dancing with the Stars, I know how important it is to not only look stunning, but to feel good too. That's why I absolutely love LunaSol shoes. They're designed with a dancer's mind and the aesthetics of a bridal shoe. They're very comfortable, they're cushiony, they have a very practical heel, and when you dance in them, you don't feel them at all. I love them.